Could you tell me a little bit more about the CBTI that we are offering here at BrainWell Psychiatry and what that entails going through that course with you?
So CBTI is the gold standard treatment for insomnia, cognitive behavior therapy for insomnia, and it is what's recommended by the American Academy of Sleep Medicine. It's what's recommended by the American Academy for Family Medicine, American Psychiatric Society. It is the gold standard, and the reason it is because it works enduring, right? It's not something that stops working like a medication can. And so CBTI is usually done with a therapist because there has to be an assessment, and then there's when we think of cognitive behavior therapy, we think of cognition, so that's thoughts, what we think about the sleep, and then we think about behaviors, what we're doing that is trying to make the sleep better that is often making the sleep worse. And so in CBTI, we look at those things, and then we look at something called sleep restriction, where we do a sleep prescription that helps people get over the hump of being able to sleep better. And so that can be done, like I said, one-on-one, or it can be done in a group setting, which is really helpful because then you have the experience of the group and you can hear how somebody else is doing and how they are managing certain things. And it's an effective 6-week program that we do here.